हेलो एवरीवन। आई एम लक्ष्य बागोरा और हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं हमारी डेटाबेस यूजिंग पाइथन सीरीज। ये हमारी डेटाबेस यूजिंग पाइथन सीरीज का 10th वीडियो है और 10th वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं टॉपिक डायमेंशन रिडक्शन। डायमेंशन रिडक्शन Dimension reduction is a technique used to reduce the number of input variables of features in a dataset while retaining as much relevant information as possible. It is commonly used to tackle problems of high dimension data where excessive features can lead to challenging like overfitting, increased computational complexity, difficulty in visualization. Dimension reduction technique fall into two categories: feature selection and feature extraction. Feature selection involves identifying and retaining the most relevant features from the original dataset. Methods including statistical tests, recursive features elimination, regularization techniques like lasso. Features extraction transform the original features into a smaller set of new features. Principal component analysis (PCA) and linear discriminant analysis (LDA) are widely used for this purpose. PCA reduces dimensions by finding new orthogonal axes principal component that maximize variance, while LDA for cost and maximize class separability. Dimensions reduction is crucial in fields like bioinformatics, image processing, and finance, where datasets often have thousands of features. It helps in improving model performance, reducing noise, and enhance interpretability. However, careful consideration is needed to ensure the reduced dataset still represent the original data adequately for meaningful analysis. Demonstrate how you will identify multicollinearity Python. Identify multicollinearity in Python. Multicollinearity occurs when two or more independent variables in a regression model are highly correlated, making it difficult to determine their individual effects on the dependent variable. It can lead to unstable quotient estimates. We can identify multicollinearity using the following method. Correlated metrics to check pairwise correlation between features. Variance inflation factor to measure how much a predictor is explained by other predictor. इसके बाद में जो कोड लिखा है उससे हम समझ सकते हैं, हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर सकते हैं आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ मल्टीक्लोनरिटी इन पाइथन। सिंपल डेटा सेट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, डेटा को डेटा फ्रेम में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद कोरिलेशन मैट्रिक्स बना रहे हैं। स्टेप 2 में वेरिएशन इन्फ्लेशन फैक्टर निकाल रहे हैं। की पॉइंट्स कोरिलेशन मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है? चेक इफ फीचर्स हैव कोरिलेंस बिटवीन correlation above 0.9 or 0.8. A high correlation indicates potential multicollinearity. Variance inflation factor VIF values greater than 5 or 10 in some cases indicates severe multicollinearity. Formula VIF is equals to 11 minus R2. VIF is equals to fraction 1 minus R square. VIF is equals to 1 minus R2 1, where R2R power 2R2 is the coefficient of determination of the predictor regressed against all other predictors. Demonstrate how will you apply principal components analysis using Python. Applying principal analysis PCA in Python. Principal component analysis is a dimension reduction technique used to transform high dimension data into a lower dimension from while retaining the maximum variance. इस कोड के द्वारा हम प्रिंसिपल कंपोनेंट एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं, कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें हम सिंपल डेटा सेट बना रहे हैं, स्टैंडर्डाइजिंग द डेटा को स्टैंडर्डाइज कर रहे हैं, एनालिसिंग अप्लाइंग पीसीए, एक्सप्लेन वेरिएंस रेशियो steps in the code. Standardizing the data. PCA is sensitive to the scale of variables. Standardizing ensure all features contributing equally. उसके बाद हम PCA अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, Analyzing explained variation. The explained variation ratio tells how much variation each principal component captures. Visualize result. Plot the principal component to visualize to reduce data. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। 11th टॉपिक नेक्स्ट टॉपिक कवर करेंगे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच।